Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best jumper cables on Amazon. Jumper cables, also called jump leads or booster cables, have a singular focus. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Energizer Heavy-Duty Jumper Cables. Just like the US Postal Service, Energizer says its jumper cables will deliver in rain, sleet, and dead of night as well as windstorms and searing desert heat. The set is rated to withstand extreme temperatures. The copper-clad aluminum wires should remain flexible at sub-zero temperatures, even if your joints can't. It's hard to believe that a 25-foot-long set of copper-clad aluminum jumper cables could only weigh 2 pounds, while a 16-foot length weighs 3 times that much, but reviewer statements bear that out. Even a small child could probably hoist these cables and run them over to an adult on jump start duty. These cables come in lengths of 16, 20, and 25 feet, but all of them except the longest are 4 gauge. The longest set is 1 gauge, so it can be used on cars, trucks, and SUVs. What we like about it? 2-year warranty. Very lightweight. Thickest gauge. For use on even heavy-duty vehicles. What we don't like about it? Minimal clamp insulation. Pricier than some options. Number 2. Top copper jumper cables. The best conductor of electricity when it comes to jumper cables is copper wire. This top selection is made of 100% copper wire instead of the more common copper-clad aluminum, so it is more resistant to heat, is more flexible, and needs less insulation on a thinner gauge, so it weighs less. This 4-gauge set is made for regular passenger cars and is rated to work in very high and very low temperatures -40 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with a step-by-step guide to jump-starting a car. Our choice is the 20-foot length, which makes it possible to jump a car from one parked directly behind it. The clamps seem to be sufficient, although I would prefer them to be better insulated, and it is on the pricier side, although not unreasonably so. What makes these an even better choice is that they come with a storage bag and safety gloves. What we like about it? Pure copper cables. Flexible. 20-foot cord. Heat resistant. What we don't like about it? Heavy. Less insulation on clamps. Not for use with heavy-duty vehicles. Number 3. Cartman 4-gauge 20-feet jumper cables. The Cartman 4-gauge 20-feet jumper cables are designed to provide a reliable and efficient jumpstart to your car, SUV, or pickup truck. The cables are made from high-quality copper-clad aluminum wire, which ensures optimal conductivity and durability. They are all listed, meaning they have been tested and approved by underwriters' laboratories for safety and performance. The long length and carry bag make it easy to store and transport, while the affordable price makes it a great value for money. What we like about it? High-quality materials. Long length. Easy to store. What we don't like about it? Bulky clamps. Limited temperature range. Number 4. ABN jumper cables, 25 feet long. ABN jumper cables are a set of commercial-grade booster cables designed to jump-start various types of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and other commercial vehicles. These cables are 25 feet long, making them ideal for connecting batteries in vehicles parked side by side or even parked nose to nose. The ABN jumper cables are designed to handle heavy usage, making them suitable for professional mechanics and commercial vehicle owners. Additionally, the 25 feet length of the cables provides extra flexibility when it comes to jump-starting vehicles in tight spaces or challenging locations. What we like about it? Flexible. Heat-resistant. What we don't like about it? Heavy. Number 5. Shinkoll Heavy-Duty Booster Cables. Shinkoll has been manufacturing electronics for more than 15 years, and its jumper cables made of pure copper wire are an excellent option in this market. They come in a variety of lengths, 10, 13, 16, and 20 feet long, and they are rated to withstand the most extreme outdoor temperatures. The 1-gauge cables are not fused together as they are with most of the choices, so the wires are more flexible and easier to roll up and store. What we like about it? Pure copper. 20 feet long. Storage bag. Cables are separate. What we don't like about it. Heavier than others. Expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.